Artificial intelligence is now helping designers create the clothing of the future.
All the designs were created with the help of an artificial intelligence software program.
I think it's really good for the customer because you just don't go to buy something. You are included in the narrative of that experience.
Like, what does an AI Fashion Week even mean? What does the fashion industry infused with artificial intelligence look like?
Is AI the future of fashion? From cutting-edge designs to personalized shopping experiences, artificial intelligence is transforming the fashion industry in ways we never imagined. Designers are using AI to predict trends, create unique styles, and revolutionize creativity, while retailers harness smart algorithms to tailor experiences and optimize inventory. This tech-driven evolution isn't just making fashion smarter, it's pushing boundaries like never before. Join us as we uncover how AI is reshaping style, innovation, and the way we experience fashion. The evolution of fashion technology. The fashion industry has a rich history of technological advancements that have shaped its evolution. From the invention of the sewing machine in the 19th century to the introduction of synthetic fabrics, each innovation has transformed how we design and produce clothing. Fast forward to today, and AI stands out as a game changer, enabling designers to harness data for trend forecasting and personalized experiences. Understanding this evolution is crucial for anticipating future trends, as technology continues to redefine the boundaries of creativity and efficiency in fashion. By recognizing the past, we can better appreciate the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. AI in design. Creativity meets algorithms. AI is revolutionizing fashion design by blending creativity with advanced algorithms. Tools like Adobe Sensei empower designers to create unique styles by automating repetitive tasks and offering intelligent suggestions. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI identifies emerging trends, inspiring designers to craft innovative collections that resonate with consumers. For instance, brands like Stitch Fix utilize AI to curate personalized clothing selections, while companies like The Fabricant have produced stunning digital garments entirely generated by AI. These examples illustrate how technology not only enhances the design process, but also opens new avenues for creativity, making a significant impact on the fashion landscape. Personalization and consumer experience. AI is transforming customer experiences in fashion retail by offering unprecedented levels of personalization. Tools like Stitch Fix utilize AI-driven algorithms to analyze individual preferences, tailoring clothing recommendations that resonate with each customer. Additionally, virtual fitting rooms powered by AI allow shoppers to visualize how garments will look on them, significantly enhancing satisfaction and reducing return rates. The importance of data analytics cannot be overstated, as it helps retailers understand consumer preferences and behaviors, enabling them to create targeted marketing strategies. By leveraging these technologies, fashion brands are not only improving the shopping experience, but also fostering deeper connections with their customers. Sustainability and ethical fashion. AI plays a crucial role in promoting sustainable practices within the fashion industry. By optimizing supply chains, AI helps brands reduce waste and improve efficiency, ensuring that resources are used more responsibly. Innovations such as AI-driven fabric recycling technologies are paving the way for a circular economy, allowing materials to be repurposed rather than discarded. This not only minimizes environmental impact, but also encourages brands to adopt more ethical practices. As consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability, the integration of AI in fashion will be vital for shaping a more responsible future, where style and environmental consciousness go hand in hand. Challenges and considerations. While AI brings numerous benefits to the fashion industry, it also presents potential challenges and ethical considerations. One major concern is job displacement, as automation may replace certain roles traditionally held by human workers. It's essential for the industry to address these concerns by fostering reskilling and upskilling opportunities. Additionally, ethical AI practices must be prioritized in both design and retail to ensure fairness and transparency in algorithms. As we embrace technology's role in fashion, it's crucial to maintain a balanced view, recognizing that while AI can enhance creativity and efficiency, it should complement human talent rather than replace it. Thanks for diving into the future of fashion with us. AI is revolutionizing design, retail, and sustainability, and we're just getting started. If you're excited about how technology is shaping style, make sure to subscribe for more insights on fashion innovation. Hit the like button if you found this discussion intriguing, and share this video with fashion and tech enthusiasts who'd love to learn more. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment on how you see AI influencing the fashion industry. Want more trend insights? Check out our other videos for deeper dives into the intersection of fashion and technology. Stay stylish, stay informed, and see you in the next video.